What's up, everybody? Hot Sauce Investing here. I want to share my morning studies, recap, in summary. Now, if you haven't been paying attention and follow along, we are entering a correction. It's going to happen. And the very intelligent, smart money and finance people that I would say have the inside word on what's going on, you got to listen to them. Smart money has already pulled out. Warren Buffett, arguably greatest investor of all time. I don't know of any other company or management company that has made as many billions as him. And he's very conservative. There's only it's 4 times in history that he's gone to cash. He never holds cash because his whole thing is like, it doesn't matter if we're in a correction or not. If you buy things at a reasonable price that are cheap, you just hold on to them. And so the correction is not going to matter if you get a good PE ratio when you purchase the things. But anyway, he has been sitting on cash. Other smart money sitting on cash. My personal mentors have been sitting on like 75% cash. I was able to get about 58% cash. I pulled off all my profits for anything that was green, okay? And it sucks. It's hard to be patient because it drives me crazy having cash sitting there that could be going to work where it's not otherwise. It's not even keeping up with inflation the way I've got it set up right now. So here's the point I'm getting at. To summarize, in my studies this morning, market crashes do not happen overnight. Look at the crashes historically. 1920, it took almost a year for this crash to happen. It's like this slow and steady bleed that just won't stop. That's what this morning, I was looking at the NASDAQ. When in doubt, look at the charts, people. Just look at the chart. I had the 30-minute, I was doing some day trading. Okay, I don't suggest trying that. Don't do it. Don't do it. That's a separate conversation. It's very difficult. It's stressful. Don't do it. I was looking at the NASDAQ 30-minute chart, going back probably, I got to estimate, it was about 3 months back, around April, May. It has slowly been trickling down. You can see it. We are in a downward trend, 10.5% down from a couple months ago. Now, by definition, a crash could be 20%, okay, off the yearly highs, okay, all-time highs, yearly highs. We are about 10.5% from the top. Now, if you look at the chart and you zoom back, it's like, this sucker has been falling, but you don't hear it because the daily candles they come up, and it goes down a little bit, then it comes up. It's that simple technical analysis that talks about we're seeing lower highs and lower lows on the daily candles, and have been for a few months now. There's no indication of a turnaround. And so S&P, I need to go back. I'm going to check that out tonight. I'll check back in, but my gut feeling is that the S&P has a significant drop as well, percentage-wise. And so, be careful, people. It's been sucky sitting on cash, and I don't know when the time to get back in or buy is yet, but we will know when it's time to start deploying more cash. But right now, we hit those all-time highs, right? In the AI, look, it's booming. It's like the dot-com boom. These AI companies are taking over, and it's very scary when a smaller amount of companies are carrying a higher percentage of the overall market cap in the stock market. That's what we're seeing. That's why Korea is experiencing a devastating market crash, because there's like 2 companies that hold up the foundation of their entire stock market, and they're rolling over. And trust me, that's good. That is going to trickle into the United States. Okay, I think it is already starting to happen. So these are some of the things I was studying this morning. It's the macro, right? It's a bigger picture. Just be aware of the bigger picture. You know, then you can always tune in. If you're really good and getting a lot more savvy about technical analysis, you can always zoom in and make a little money on these short-term bounces. There's always short-term bounces. If you look at the technicals and you find those support levels and resistance levels, and you kind of see where the price actions are trading in terms of the buyers being in control with the volume or the sellers being in control with the volume. If you practice and get better, and I have, and it's an amazing thing. It really opens up your mind to be a better investor. Okay, don't jump to conclusions. Slow and steady is the name of the game. But what I'm saying is hold cash right now. Don't deploy cash unless you're doing something boring. Like I bought Heinz Craft Company because it's been moving sideways for like a long time, and then I sold the call. Right, so it's just a slow and steady, small percentage. Right, that you can feel free to do a play like that. But overall, we're in a downturn, people. Be patient. Thanks for checking in. Give me that thumbs up if you would. Please share this video. Take this information, and it's real stuff that I've studied personally. So thanks for checking in. All right, appreciate y'all. Peace out.